Hello guys, in the last video we saw how to make segments of the snake. In this video we will add and update our score. So let's start with our code. So first of all we will copy the scoreboard text which we have and we will paste it at different places. First of all we will place it where our snake dies so that the score is turned to 0 again when the game restarts. We'll replace the score and high score values by the variables we have made. Now we will copy this text and place it at different places where the snake dies or it eats the food. We'll increase the score by 10 in the if statement where the snake eats the food and also update our scoreboard. And we will check whether the score is greater than high score. If it is greater than high score, we will change the high score to score and update the scoreboard again. Now we will take these lines and paste it where the snake collides with itself. Let's run the code and see if we are missing something or not. As you can see, multiple scoreboards are created. So to avoid this, we will clear the scoreboard every time we make a new scoreboard. Now we will write scoreboard.clear every time we make a new scoreboard. Now we will copy and paste it at the places where we wrote the scoreboard. Let's check if our code works perfectly now or not. Yes, as you can see, our score and high score both are updated. So our code works perfectly well now. As now we have made our snake game complete, you can make some changes in the code to make it more attractive. For example, here I have changed the shapes to circle. It looks a bit different now. You can also make changes to the walls, to the scoreboard, to the background, to anything you want. You can also add the play button at the start of the game. Use your curiosity to do many things more. Don't just copy the code. With this, we have finished our snake game tutorial. Do subscribe the channel for more amazing tutorials. Don't forget to share it with your friends who are interested in coding. Thanks for watching.